Welcome to another appliance repair video where you can learn how to repair all your household appliances like a pro. Today we're working on an LG refrigerator, and the problem we're having is that it's not making ice anymore. So let me show you how I go about it. 3 essential functions need to take place for you to have ice. Number 1, the freezer compartment needs to be cold enough. You need to see the refrigerator get 12 degrees Fahrenheit or less in that ballpark. Check your temperatures. We have 2.3 degrees Fahrenheit. And so we know that's good. And the fresh food compartment is 39 degrees, and that's good. And so the model number that we're working on is Larry Foxtrot X-Ray 21976 Sam Tom 08. Step number 2, we need to see the ice maker going to harvest mode. This is the ice maker, and if yours is like this one, it has a test button underneath. That square button right there underneath. You're gonna press this and hold this for 5 seconds. So make sure your ice maker's on. You can also turn it off and turn it on to reset it again, just in case. And then you hold down that square button that I showed you underneath there for 5 seconds. And see if the fingers start to move. This one don't have fingers. This is a twist tray, but it's supposed to be moving right now, so nothing's happening. So we're going to replace this ice maker. And how we replace it, you take out these 2 screws on the bottom and the 1 screw in the middle. And we're going to take out this whole thing, and you have to also loosen up that 1 screw in there with the washer. And it'll come out. I'll do that now. Before disconnecting any electrical or electronic components, I disconnect the power. So I removed, they're all Phillips head screws, 1, 2, and 3, and I loosened this one up. You don't have to take it out totally. You grab it from the bottom, and it's already loose. It comes out as 1 panel, and then you have a connector right there. The tab, locking tab, you just have to press this down and pull it out. The ice maker is removed from the panel by 3 screws, 1 on the right, 1 on the left that I already removed, and you only have to remove on the top, the 1 on the right. You might want to take a picture how the wires are routed here. The connector's right here, and as you can see, the ice maker comes through this little slot with a tab and goes up. And then you have this tape that you have to pull back. You got a connector right here, and get your new ice maker. This is it. So you got a ground wire, you got a connector. The blue wire is a thermistor, and the ground wire goes all the way down to the organ motor. You gotta remove this tape and just put it in the same way. It's best not to pull the thermistor with 1 hand like I did, but to loosen the sponge-like material with 1 hand and pull out the thermistor, or take a razor knife and cut a slit in the sponge-like material and pull it out. Remove your ground screw. Okay, I got my connector hooked up. I got my ground wire hooked up to the organ motor. Got the tape back on. It's routed properly. Got my thermistor back in there. All my wiring is secure on this side. Now I can flip over the panel and ice maker and secure the ice maker to the panel with the 3 Phillips screws. You got 1 screw there, 2 little screws, and that 1 screw to the right inside there. Okay, so I'm reinstalling the ice maker with the auger motor. Just connect it and slip it in underneath that screw, that loop right there. I have it connected. Make sure that your water spout goes in that clear plastic funnel container. And the U-shape of the panel goes underneath the screw with the washer. And you could slip in the whole panel as a whole. Replace the 3 Phillips screws in the ice maker panel and tighten up on the screw that has the washer. All right, I got my power turned on, got the ice maker on. As soon as you connect power to it, it should start moving, but I want to see it go into harvest mode. And step 3, we need to see water coming into the ice maker. So we're going to hold down that button again, we did at the beginning, for 5 seconds. And it's moving. It wasn't doing that before, so we know it's getting power. It's a good sign. It's doing its thing, going into harvest mode. And after it's done, we should see and hear the water coming through that spout into the funnel, into the ice maker. And we got water. So we got a working ice maker now. The temperature's cold enough. There's no reason why you shouldn't have ice now. Well, thank you for watching. If this video has been a benefit to you, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.